kale pasta, boiling it with a bit of salt, a bit of oil and a Scotch bonnet pepper. Baby potatoes, boiling. In some oregano and a bit of salt. Mince. I just added some sweet corn to it. Grated the cheese. It's extra mature, so it's strong. Nice strong cheese. Yeah. I might grate some more. It's a bit. This is awkward, this one. How do you, anyone does? This is awkward. Okay, cool. If I just hold it like that a bit. Who uses one of these? Anyone? It's quite awkward. But yeah, I'm done basically. Just waiting for the pasta to boil really, and the potato. And I'm going to serve up. Hungry today. Oh. I'm going to add another pasta sauce. Yeah. Add more.